All right, Pyros, your big bro here. We're out here at Outlaw Pyro, did Outlaw Fireworks just today, guys. We got the Venom Snappers, guys. We got the Shack Shaker Firecrackers. Got the Jumbo Whiston Warheads. We got the Warrior Color Camo Smokes from Warrior. We got a newish pack, Little Brave by Warrior. Everything but the kitchen sink, fountain. We got Warrior Independence pack. Nice fountains up in there. We got the Anaconda eggs. Got the Red Lantern fountains. More of the Jumbo Whistlings. We also got the assorted Roman packs. 12 of them. We got the Res Diva. And we also got the Little Brave Fire Pack. We got the Warrior Pop Wheels. We got the Venom Novelty Starter Pack. We got the 4th of July Extravaganza. That is a nice pack there. Got the little X-ray glasses in there. We got Big City. Nice. We got the Warrior Thunder Pack. Beautiful pack. Even better, Sovereign Nation. I'm gonna pick up one of those today. We got the Vernormous. 4 cakes up top. Got a big fountain in the middle. Huge cake. 2 boxes of Buffalo Bombs. To the cakes. 2 guns up. T-Rex. We got Mosh Pit. Yankee Doodle Dandy. Raging Bull guys. We also got Ultimate Warriors Revenge. We got the Wild West pack guys. We got Wild Bill Hickok. We got Jesse James, Billy the Kid, and Doc Holliday. We also got Sonic Boom. We got the Ramley Ties. We got El Toro. We got Showtime, that Laker theme. Hockeywood. We come over, we got El Captain, Senor Perfecto, Ray Ray. We got Jaguar Volador. We got the Chef, which everybody calls the Chief for some reason. We got Bay Bombers, Everclear. These are all 30 shots. Sir Vegas, that's probably my favorite out of those. We got Black Sunday. Come up, we got Jive Turkey, Home Skillet, The Hood, King of the Wild, Big Bun, Headless Horseman. Then we got this huge Junkyard Dog, guys. Junkyard Dog is huge. It got some really big breaks at the end of it. Now check this out, Pyros. The big bro got something special for you. Look at this. For everybody who loves assortments, we got the All Access Pass. It's by Venom. This thing's got everything in it, guys. Shells upon shells. Big fountains. Got triple breaks in there. 12-shot cakes, man. All kinds of 500-gram cakes in there. We got double-shot peanut shells in there, too. Let's roll back.
Yeah, where can I work in agriculture?
We got the Halloween pack here, 9 shotters. We got Skate or Die, 30 shots. Dope Rap, Easy Does It. Can't Stand the Rain. We got the Alpha Foxtrot Delta Bravo. We got that Do It for the Gram and Viral. Cool Story Bro. We got Shred. We got Trill.
You gotta look at all
And we got Wave Guide. And we got the neon packs. We got the blue, the purple, and the greens left. And we got the throttle, baby. Dope cake. Head over here to the shells. We got those field guides, 4 inches. Assassins. Those 5-inch Unabombers and those 5-inch Cobra Kais. Outlaw Pyros, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.